Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying your OS and CPU architecture, so you download the correct installer. Once done, run the official installer and check Add to Path to make Python available everywhere. Next, create a project virtual environment with Python mvenv and activate it. This isolates dependencies and prevents system-level conflicts. Make sure to pick the latest stable release. It gives new syntax and security fixes. Finally, confirm pip is updated with Python mpip, install upgrade pip. Now install core tooling, upgrade pip, setup tools, and wheel so package installs are reliable. Then install your editor and linter, VS Code plus Pylint or Rough, then point the editor at your virtual env interpreter so code executes correctly. Use piproject, toml, or requirements. TXT to pin dependency versions. This ensures reproducible environments. Add pre-commit hooks to run linters and tests automatically. While configuring, run a quick hello script to confirm imports and environment variables resolve as expected. Finish by running your test suite with Pytest or Unitest to validate behavior before any deployment. Once tests pass, freeze dependencies with Python mpip freeze requirements. TXT so others can recreate the exact setup. Package and version your app or library as needed. If something goes wrong, missing imports, or wrong versions, recreate the virtual environment, ensure the correct interpreter is active, and verify path entries. Often a path or activation mismatch causes version conflicts. That quick recreate usually resolves stubborn issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.